Hi guys, so to get started, we're gonna go to metamask.io. That's the website, metamask.io, and then here we are. We're gonna go to download for Chrome. You can see download for Firefox, download for Edge, whatever browser you're using. Click on add to Chrome, and then you click on add extension. So you're going to be adding this extension to your Chrome browser or whatever browser is supported. Okay. So it's been added successfully, as you can see. Then it's going to open this page telling you welcome to MetaMask. So just click get started. Just some bunch of stuff. Click I agree. And then the first option is it's for if you already have a wallet that you want to import. But in this video, we're just gonna set up a brand new MetaMask wallet. Okay, so we're not gonna go with that first option. We're gonna go with the second one. Yeah. So we're gonna click on create a wallet. So you're gonna create a password. It has to be something you can remember because this is what you're going to use to log in to your MetaMask wallet. Okay. Click the box and then click on create. Okay, so you can watch this video to learn how to properly secure your wallet. Yeah, so let's click on next. Okay, so this is where you're going to get your secret recovery phrase. This is for the case of if you lose your wallet or something. So as you can see, there they are. So I'm just going to copy them. You have to write this somewhere and just keep it in a secure place. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it on my my sticky notes. So it's going to help me. And so yeah, you're just going to ask you to put the words accordingly, the way they are or the way they were arranged, just to make sure you've noted them down, in your paper or whatever. So I'm just going to quickly do that and I'll be right back. And I'm done. So as you can see, it says congratulations, your account has been backed up or your secret phrase has been noted. So we're gonna continue, and there it is, your MetaMask wallet. So you can buy, you can send, you can swap, you can do basically anything you do with a normal wallet. You can import tokens and all that. So you can just click on this icon here, and then on the MetaMask part you just click on pin. So it will just pin the MetaMask icon to your dashboard, so you can access it anytime, anywhere, on any website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.